Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Abby, and today I'm going to be showing you how I organize my kids under the sink video. If you guys would like to see how I organize my kids sink or under the sink, please keep on watching. I would also like to say that my channel is about cleaning, decluttering, organizing, vlogs, stuff like that. It is about my lifestyle. If you guys would like to know more about my life, subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. Okay, without further ado, let's get on with our video. I did purchase everything from Target and Amazon. Okay, these are the products that I have, and I sorted everything out. Okay, so I put everything in little groups to see what I have and what I'm gonna do with everything. Okay guys, look how beautiful this came out. I kind of copied my under the sink video. It'll be right up here. But anyways, so I try to organize it in putting all the things that I do use. So over here I have hair care, which I have all my daughters and my sons like stuff. I just put this one in here just because I don't have like a shampoo area. But I have their gel, their baby gel, because my son is still a baby. So then I have shaping jelly for her. I don't really like putting actual gel in her hair. So I found this one at Target, and honestly, it's been good, and it's also sulfate free because she is a baby still, well, a toddler, and I don't want to put like anything heavy or with too much like product, I guess. I don't know. I don't even know what this has. I just know it's like sulfate free, and then sulfate is really bad for your hair. But this one is the one I get. Okay, and then I have her detangler, more detangler here, and then it's just some water. So hair care here, and then I have her oral care. Well, both of them, but my son hates to brush his teeth. So I have her toothpaste. I have toothbrushes, extra toothbrushes, because sometimes my nieces and nephews come over, and I always like to have like extra stuff for people that come over. I have her Listerine, just like extra stuff, so when my nieces and nephews come over, like I said. And then I have their lotions. I have baby lotions. I have see, baby lotion. This was actually a gift from one of my best friends, and I actually really loved it. I don't know if you can see. She got it, I think, on Amazon, and I love their products. I came with like a perfume and extra little stuff, and I really liked it. So it's good for your baby. And then I have I just have lotion for them, and then I have sunscreen, which I have for both of them. I have my baby one, and then I have for kids. I have a lot of like sunscreen and stuff, because where I live gets really hot. Obviously right now, not right now, but in the summer it gets really hot, and we go to the pool and stuff, so I like to have sunscreen all the time. Anyways, so I have wipies right here, which these are Boogie wipies. My kids love these. So when I have like a runny nose or they're sick, I always go to these to clean their nose. I don't really like to use regular wipies. Regular wipies are a little rougher than these. These are actually so soft. So these are a must. You can see it. I don't know what's going on with my lighting right now, but I hope you can see. So I have a couple of those. Well, lots, because these are a must. And then I have disinfectant wipes. I always carry disinfectant wipes in my bag, in my diaper bag, in my purse, my car, everywhere, because I always like to disinfect my kids' hands. I always get this brand as well. And I have more disinfectant. I have this one. I have this Frida one. It's really good. I love this one too. These are so good. Always try to have sanitizer stuff for your kids, guys. And then I have my body scrubs. So she picked this one. This one was from the movie. I don't even know what movie it is. But anyways, I have this one, and I have a Minnie Mouse one. It's so cute. And of course, I had more blue ones, but I already used. And then I have extras over here, which I have nail care. Here I have for the Boogies, Frida. I have lots of stuff here. There's thermometer, another thermometer, more stuff. I just have like extra stuff in here because I didn't know where to put them. So this one was the one I chose. So down here I have you can see, I have her floss, because I went to the dentist with my daughter and he said that she needs to floss all the time, of course, like an adult. So I have her floss down here. I have baby care over here, because my son is still in diapers, and sometimes he gets a little diaper rash depending on like the wipies. Normally he gets Huggies, but anyways, when he's very sensitive with any like the heat and stuff, so I always have Desitin. And then of course we have Q-tips, and I have Q-tips here, and then I have their brushes and combs. I have this one. This one's actually from Dollar Tree, and my daughter put a sticker on it. It's like a thick sticker. But it's very cute. It opens, see? And I love this one because I like to take it like on our trips. And I have like a little travel kit for them. So I just grab the stuff that I need and I put it in a little bag that I have for them. But that is it. Isn't this so cute? I just grab whatever I need. And then when people come over, I already know what to tell them. Just open the cabinet and you'll know where to find everything. It's very cute. Love that idea.